Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, or for an up-to-date list of available machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. In addition to what is listed on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed. So check back often, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that all of our machines are located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We're going to take a look at a Taylor 40 section clamp carrier. It does have a total of 40 sections that are 8 foot wide. You are going to get 182 clamps with a 32-inch capacity, plus 8 parts clamps. The machine also has 38 thin material hold-down bars. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.